Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Yeah, let's see the today's topic. Important topics for CSE Gate 2023. So one of the topic I will discuss, right? One of the important topic which is required for GATE examination I will discuss in this class. Important topics for CSE Gate 2023 and 24, right? So I will go to the right one of the important topic. So before going right, let me explain about Unacademy and right, what are the things Unacademy providing to students, right? Let me explain few minutes. Right. So in Unacademy there is a GATE ESE Major League Combat. In Unacademy, GATE and ESE Major League Combat guaranteed scholarship test on June 26th at 11 am. June 26th 11 am there is a GATE and ESE Major League Combat guaranteed scholarship test is available, and right, so guaranteed scholarship on participation. Lucky participants will win exciting gadgets and gift vouchers. Top rankers to win up to 90% scholarship, right? Please utilize this. Those people who want to join in Unacademy, right, you can attempt this particular test. Unacademy Combat, which will happen June 26th. Next one, if you are a student and you are preparing for any competitive exam, my suggestion is in your cell phone Unacademy learning app should be there. Someone is saying, sir, will you start DM or CN? I'm starting CN. I am starting. If you are a computer science student and if you are preparing for any competitive examination, right, so my suggestion is download Unacademy learning app from Play Store, right? Go to my profile. My profile is, I am giving the name also, just type Subbarao Lingamgunta. Just type this, right? Download the Unacademy learning app, go to my profile. My profile name is this. Then you will find out so many special classes, right? So you can see all the special classes freely. They are really valuable things. Special classes are really valuable, right? Quality content is available. You can utilize them. The advantage with the special class is it is a live class. When live class going on, right, I will give some problems also, some questions also, where you can give answer. You can check comparing with other students how you look like. So polls for the learners. Next one, raise a hand option. When class going on, any doubt there, right, you can ask the teacher with help of the audio. Next one, never miss a class. Because before every class 15 minutes before, notification also will come. Lecture notes available. After class over, you can download the notes. And one more, it is a recorded thing. Whenever you want, wherever you want, you can watch the lecture. Next one, daily scholarship test, right? If you want to join in Unacademy, right, just write the daily scholarship test. If you get the rank 1, you will get the 50% scholarship. If you want to get the top 1, right, if you get the top 1%, 30% scholarship, right? If you are there in the top 10%, 15% discount. Next one, if you are bottom 10%, 10% discount. Next one, if you are preparing for any competitive exam like GATE or PSU, if you are preparing for any competitive exam like GATE or PSU, if you are preparing, right, for practice questions purpose, right, PYQs practice purpose, you can enroll. After downloading the app, you can enroll. You will get the freely, right, 10 years subject wise tests you will get. Test your level of preparation, right, get an all India rank, right? So those tests, so right, all the students are tried comparing with other students how your rank look like, you can verify. It is a free, so my suggestion is please use it. Next one, after downloading the Unacademy learning app, right, on home page you will see community, right. If you click on the community, you will find out the discover. There you type my name, Subbarao Lingamgunta. So right, you will find out my profile, you follow me. If you follow, advantage is I will send notes what is necessary. I will send the DPPs, daily practice questions, important questions also I will send, information about upcoming batches and free classes, exam tips and tricks, right, preparation talk and motivational messages. You will get so many advantages. Please follow me. Next one, right, on June 22 all star batch is starting. On June 22 all star batch is starting, right. Code is, use the code ReddySir. On June 22 all star batch is starting, use the code ReddySir, right. So in this batch I am teaching algo, TOC, compiler design, data structure, programming, computer network, discrete mathematics. I am teaching these 7 subjects. Approximately these 7 subjects will give 70 marks, 60 to 70 marks approximately. These 7 subjects will give approximately minimum is 60 marks will come, right. Don't miss that. Next one, so if you want to join in Unacademy, if you have some financial problem, you can go for EMI option also, 0% interest EMI. Within 2 hours, right, they will approve it. Minimal paperwork, flexible tensions, right. Call this number to know more about it. Next one, so if you want to join, you can go for Iconic or Plus. If you go to the Iconic, you will get many advantages. Next one, so in the previous year GATE exam, GATE 2022, we got first rank, we got third rank, we got fifth rank, we got third rank, we got fourth rank, we got 8th rank. 2022 GATE examination, top 10 we got 4 ranks, top 10 we got 4 ranks, top 100 we got 50 ranks, right. If my guess is correct, next year we will get more than this, because lot of crowd is came. Comparing last year, this year many students are joined, so most probably we are going to get the great results next year. You can go for Plus or Iconic. If you go for Plus, you will get these 4 subjects, right. If you go for Plus, you will get these 4 advantages. If you go for Iconic, you will get more advantages. If you go for Iconic, right, you will get the more advantages. So this is something about, right. Next one is, I think, let me see this also. If you go for EMI option, Plus class, 24 months, you have to pay per month 2,488 rupees. 18 months, right, 18 months subscription, if you go, per month 2,776 rupees you have to pay. 12 months subscription if you take, per month you have to pay this much. 9 months subscription if you take, per month you have to pay this much. 6 months subscription if you take, per month you have to pay. This is for Plus. Use the referral code ReddySir. Next one, if you go for Iconic, 24 months, right, per month you have to pay this much. 18 months, per month you have to pay this much. 12 months, 9 months, 6 months, right. Let's go to today's important topic. Before going, let me see anyone having any doubt. Yes, Shubham is asking, right? Please say the topic. Yeah, I will start now. Right, let me write. So topic is equivalence between Moore and Mealy, Moore machine and Mealy machine. This is the topic, equivalence between Moore and Mealy machine. Equivalence between Moore and Mealy machine. This is the topic, equivalence between Moore and Mealy machine. This is the today's topic. Hi Akash, good evening Akash, good evening. Yeah, let me start the topic. Let me start once. Yeah, so topic is equivalence between Moore and Mealy machine. So what is that? Let's see. See the first problem. What it means. See the first problem. Everyone listen. See the first problem. See the first problem. Construct Moore and Mealy machines for the language L is equal to construct Moore and Mealy machine for the language L is equal to, see this one, for the language L is equal to output A, for the language L is equal to output A if the inputs ends with 1 0, output B if the input ends with 1 1, output C if the inputs ends with, right, if the input ends with, otherwise directly I can write, right, output C otherwise, this is the problem, output C otherwise. Construct Moore and Mealy machine for the language L is equal to, right, output A if the input ends with 1 0, output B if the input is ends with 1 1, output is C otherwise, right. This is the topic, this is the problem to which we have to construct Moore machine and Mealy machine, right. What is the meaning of equivalence, right, I will say once. What is the meaning of equivalence, I will say once. To this one, let me construct Moore and Mealy machine. So first I will try Moore. See everyone, first I will try Moore. So 1 0 output should be A, 1 1 output should be B, otherwise C, right. See, let's see this one. State number 1, careful everyone. State number 1, state number 2, state number 3, state number 3, state number 1, state number 2, state number 3. Careful everyone, right? So 1 0, input ends with 1 0, input ends with 1 0, then what is the answer? Print A. Input ends with 1 0, print A. Input ends with 1 1, right? Print B. Otherwise print C. In the case of more machine, output is there within the state. In the case of more machine, output is there within the state. So if you see the initial state, right, input ends with 1 0 A, 1 1 B, but in the input, if you see the starting state S1, right, input is not ends with 1 1, not ends with 1 0, so output will be C. If you see the S2 state, input is not ends with 1 0 or 1 1, so output is C. If you go to state number 3, input is ends with 1 0, then A, of course. If you go to state number 4, input is ends with 1 1, right, then B. But remember, in the case of more machine, output is there within the state. And one more and melee machine both are DFAs. More and melee machines are both are DFAs, means we have to cover other possibilities also. Right? We'll see that. Let me try other possibilities. Some people are like, what is the meaning of other possibility? Let's check. S4 means string already end with 1 1. That is the reason you are printing B. S4 means string already end with 1 1. That is the reason you are printing B. Suppose assume that again 1 coming, again ending with 1 1, again 1 coming, again ending with 1 1. That is the reason. So that is the reason on this state, if 1 coming, keep in the same state. Right? Next one. So state number S4 means 1 1 already ending. If I get 0, now ending 1 0. Right? I think you have to go to here 0. Next one. So state number 1 I am, afterwards 1 0 will come, or afterwards 1 1 will come. Afterwards 1 1 will come, I will print B. Afterwards 1 0 will come, I will print A. What about before? Before any number of zeros, no problem. 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 Yeah, till now there is no problem. Let's go to the one more. On S3, everyone listen. S3 means 1 0 already over. S3 means last 2 symbols are 1 0. Can you help? S3 means last 2 symbols are 1 0. It's okay. After 1 0, if I get 1, then what is the answer? Last 2 symbols. I think 1 0 1 1 not matching, last 2 not matching, at least last 1 matching. Just go here. 1 means go here. After 1 0, if I get 1, go to S2, because last 2 not matching, at least last 1 matching. Fine. Next one. After 1 0, if I get 0, last 2 not matching, last 1 also not matching. I think you have to go to here. So this is more machine. If anyone having doubt, let me know. This is more machine. Let me see the comment once. This is the more machine. Anyone having any doubt, let me know. Any small doubt also there, let me know. It is the more machine. Little doubt also there, let me know. Those people who are sleeping, please ask doubt. Those people who are sleeping, please ask doubt. You can sleep after class also. Those people who are sleeping, you can ask now. Are Shubham, when I am saying about Unacademy, you said that, right? So add band karo, topics batao, right? I said I started, but you are not listening. Are Shubham, when I am explaining about Unacademy, you said start the topic. When I started the topic, you are not responding. What kind of person, yaar, Shubham? What kind of person, man? How can you say like this? Check anyone having any doubt before going further. So I constructed more machine. Now see this one. To this problem, let me construct melee also. Melee is very easy. It is tricky also. Melee is very easy and tricky also. Let me try melee here. This one, I am trying melee. Machine. See this one. Construct melee machine. In the case of melee machine, output is not there within the state. Output is there on the transition line. Let me construct melee. See this one, everyone. Melee machine on S1 state. 1 go to S2. On S1 state go to 1 came, go to S2. But as of now 1 0 not there and 1 1 is not there. Print C. In the case of the melee machine, output is there on the state itself. On S1 1 coming, on S1 1 is coming, go to S2 but output C printed. Can you say S2 means already 1? S2 means already 1. If one more 1 will come, right? One more 1 will come. I think 1 1 ending, 1 1 print B, stay in the same state. On S2 again 1 is coming, again 1 1 because already 1 more 1 is coming. Again 1 1 print B, again 1 coming, again 1 1 print B. Continue like this. Next one on S2, if at all 0 is coming, go here. If at all 0 is coming, go here, right? 0 is coming, go here. But print B, print A, because 1 0 print A. After 1 0, again 1 will come, right? Ending two symbols are not 1 0. So not print A, not print B, but right, but print C. So like that same thing repeating. Can you help me now? On S1 if 0 is coming, print C. Otherwise, I think this is the melee machine. Can you verify? This is the melee machine. Can you verify? On S1 so many zeros are coming every time ending with 00. On S1 many zeros are coming every time ending with 00. Print C. Single 0 also print C. If nothing there, then also print C. On S1 if 1 comes, go to S2 but print C. On S2 means already ending with 1. One more 1 is coming, print B. One more 1 coming, print B. Self loop. On S2 means ending with 1. If 0 comes, now ending becomes 1 0. Then print A. This is the melee machine. If anyone having any doubt, let me know. Sir, this is my doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Sir, this is my doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Sir, I have really this problem. Right? Please let me know. If anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Check once more machine and melee machine I done. Some people are asking, sir, what is the meaning of equivalence? Very simple. Equivalence is nothing but if more possible, melee possible. If melee possible, more possible. When you say equivalence means, right, if more possible, melee possible. If melee possible, more possible. Careful. For any problem you constructed more, you can construct melee also. The only thing is more machine within the state output. Melee machine on the transition line output. Melee machine output is based on state also, input also. Right? But more machine output based on state only. But melee machine output is based on state also. Right? State also, input also. Right? For any problem more possible, melee also possible. Right? So one more thing I want to say to you. Listen, if more possible, melee possible. If melee possible, more possible. Some people are asking, sir, how? Right? Listen correctly now. Is it more? this is the more, this is the more. See, from this more, some, right, I constructed more, I constructed melee, their individual I created. First I constructed more, afterwards I constructed melee. So, right, manually I tried more, manually I tried melee. Now what I will do is, from the existing more, I will construct melee. How? I will explain. On existing more, I can construct melee, right? Melee, how? It's a very interesting answer. See this one, very interesting answer. Very interesting answer. More to melee, how? More to melee. Or more to melee, how? I am explaining. If you have more, you have melee also. If you have melee, you have more also, right? Let's check, let's check. Can you see the more machine? Right? In the case of more machine, output is there in the state. In the case of melee machine, output on the transition. I think, can you help me now? In the case of more machine, S1 on 0. In the case of more machine, S1 on 0, where are you going? S1 on 0, I am going to S1, output is C. Let me check. See this one, S1 on 0, S1 on 0, I am going to S1, but output is C. Next one, S1 on 1, what is the answer? S1 on 1, I will go to S2, output is C. S1 on 1, I will go to S2, but output is C. So S1, 0 or 1 I completed. Let's go to S2. S2 on 0, what is the output here? Output C, that fine. Can you help me now? S2 on 0, I will go to S3. S2 on 0, I will go to S3, but output is B. Next one, S2 on 1, S2 on 1, I will go to S4, but output is, what is the answer? Output is 1 0 is A, right? 1 0 is A. 1 0 is A, right? 1 1 is B. Right, fine. Next one, next one. Can you help me now? On S3 means 1 0 over. On S3 means 1 0 over. After 1 0 is over, if 1 coming, I will go here. After 1 0 is over, if at all, yeah, right? After 1 0 is over, if 1 coming, what is the answer? 1 coming, I will go to S2, but ending two symbols, nothing is matching, but only one symbol matching, that's okay, right? Print C. Next one, on S3 means on 1 0, on 1 0 1, on 1 0 if 0 comes, right, nothing will come. On 1 0, one more 0. So what is the answer? C will be printed. Next one, let's go to S4, right? S4 on 1, what is the answer? S4 on 1, right? S4 on 1, it will go to S4 only, output is B. Next one, S4 on 0, S4 on 0, I will go to S3, output is A. So like that more to melee you can do. Like that more to melee you can do. If you have more, you can do melee. Maybe I am not saying more to melee will give minimal melee. I cannot say that. More to melee possible. More to melee is possible. Please careful. So if you have a more, you have melee. That is the meaning of equivalence between more machine and melee machine. Means for any problem more possible, melee also possible. For any problem melee possible, more also possible. Right, more also possible. Please check if anyone having doubt. Sir, I have this problem. You ask me, I will help you. If you have a more, you have melee. If you have a melee, you have more also. Check anyone having doubt. More there means melee there. You can do manually also. If you do manually, see, if you do manually, melee machine manually, if you do only 2 states. But if you do more to melee, right, because of it is easy means, right, you know very well, good things cannot come easily. Right, good things cannot come easily, bad things will come easily. More to melee conversion easy. That is the reason more states are coming. So minimal mealy contain 2 states. Minimal mealy contain 2 states, but this mealy contain more states. It's okay. Meaning wise both are same. Meaning wise both are same. Right? Let's go to mealy to more also. Let's go to mealy to more also. Mealy to more also. You may get same diagram, you may get different diagram. I have more and mealy manually. So if I construct mealy to more, right, I may get same diagram, I may get different diagram. Right? I will start now. More to mealy I done. Mealy to more I will do. Mealy to more I will do. Right? Let me do once. Let me write the mealy to more. So first let me write the diagram. S1 here, S2 here, 0C, 1C, the next one 1B, 0A. So like that. It is a mealy machine. So how to construct a more machine? In the case of more machine, output is there within the state itself. If you observe clearly the given mealy machine, so right, in the case of more machine, output is there within the state, but in the case of mealy machine, output is there on the transition line. So what I will do is state, right, states are two, and the output alphabet if you see A, B, C, but in the case of more, output will be there within the state. See what he is doing. States are two. Listen, states are two. Let me take S1 state. S1 state. States are two only. S1, S2. States are two only, S1, S2. But here S1 output A, one state. S1, right, one state, output B. S1 output C. In the similar way S2 also, S2A, S2B, S2C, initial state. So if you want to construct mealy to more, very simple. In the mealy machine, how many states are there? 2. In the mealy machine, what will be the output alphabet? 3. What is the output alphabet? 3. So 2 into 3, 6 states. I think one more thing required. What is the answer? S3A, S3B, S3C, so in the case of mealy, if states are 2, output alphabet is 3. 2 into 3, 6 states will come in the more machine. This is the maximum. Maybe less also. This is the maximum, right? Maybe less also. Maybe less. Let's check. Can you help me now? Which state is right? The right? See this one. If you observe clearly, this is right, mealy machine. This is the more machine. Right? The diagram what I have is mealy. The diagram what I want to construct is more. How he is constructing, we'll see now. Can you see the mealy machine? S1 on 0, where are you going? S1 on 0, I am going to S1 only, but output will be C. Careful everyone. See this correctly. S1 on 0, I am going to S1 only, but output C. What is the meaning? S1 on 0. I think 3 S1s are there. S1 on 0, I am going to S1 only, which contain output C. I think here. So S1 on 0 means all S1s will go. S1 on 0 means all will go. S1 on 0 means it is going to S1 output C. Everyone will go to output C. I think himself also. S1 on 0, it will go to S1 only. but 3 S1s. Which S1? S1 which contain output C, all will go to that place. So himself also will go there. S1 on 0, S1 on 0, I will go to S1 which contain output C, means everyone will come. S1 on A, S1 on B will go to S1 on C. Next one, what is the S1 on 1? 3 S1s are there. S1 means all will come. S1 on 1 is S2 which contain output as C. I think this one. I think 1 he will also have. 1 is also having. 1 is also having. S1 on 1, S1 on 1, I will go to S2, output is C, right, all ones. So S1 story is complete. Can you go to the S2? S2 on 0, where it is going? S2 on 0, it is going to A, I think this. S2 on 0, it will go to S2 on 0. S2 on 0, it will goes to S1. S2 on 0, it will go to S1 which contain output as A. Which contain output as A, right? Same story. Next one, S2 on B. S2 on B will goes to S2 which contain B. B here. S2 on 1, it will go to S2. Which contain output as B. Next one, I think 0 and 1 is over. So like that you have to do, like that you have to do, like that you have to do. See, in this area you never enter also. I written, but they are not useful. What we can do? What we can do? So please careful. Please careful. S1 on A I am going to, S1 on A I am going to, S1 on 0 I am going to S1 which contain output C. I think all came. And one more thing is all came here, right? No one is came to S1 on B. No one is came to S1 on B. So is there any state? So like that you can complete. So no one using this, you can leave. No one using this, you can leave. So I think nowhere it is there. Nowhere it is there. I think again I am repeating, right? If anyone having small doubt also, let's see this one. 2 states are there. Maybe I done wrong. These are actually not required. I may be unnecessarily confused you. Maybe, right? Unknowingly I written, right? Sorry for that. So I am repeating once again. When you are doing mealy to more, if mealy contain 2 states, output alphabet is 3, 2 into 3, 6 states already there. 6 states already there. No use of this. No use of this. 6 states already there. No use of this. Right? Fine. You are perfect. So like that you can complete. So if the more mission contain 2 states, output alphabet is 3, 2 into 3, 6 states are there in the equivalent mealy. In the equivalent right? In the equivalent, right? So I am repeating once again. If mealy mission contain 2 states, equivalent to more contain, right? 2 into 3, 6 states are there maximum. Minimum may be less depending upon some unnecessary states may be there. Some unnecessary states may be there. Right? Please careful. Someone is saying mealy mission having less states always than more, right? Not, you cannot say always, maybe sometimes equal. Shubham, sometimes may be equal. You cannot say always, right? You cannot say always, may be equal. May be equal. Are you getting? Sometimes may be more. Sometimes may be less. Sometimes may be equal. There is no relation like mealy contain always less, mealy contain always more depending upon the problem. Actually no relation. Actually no relation. You can say little bit. You can say little bit, Comparing more, sometimes maybe merely less, sometimes, not every time. Comparing more, merely maybe less, sometimes. Right? Fine. Right? I hope everyone got, right? Fine. So tomorrow's class we will see some more problems. Tomorrow's class we will see some more problems. Right? Fine. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Good night.